This cocktail PNG digital download makes $1,600 per month. It's an absolute monster, and it's actually only a 1 month old listing. It's got an 18.82 conversion rate. It's an absolute monster, and it's just come out 30 days ago, mate. Got 32 monthly sales. It's got 2 reviews already, 14 favorites, 170 views. It's crazy. It's a mad one. And if you love digital products and you love videos like this, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of these videos in your feed, mate. In your feed, mate. Check this out. Let's have a look at this beastly listing that is making some cash. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look at this. Look. Check it out. Look, this is simply 1,400. Now, it's a bundle and a half, you know. It's a big bundle. 1,400 plus watercolor, cocktail clip arts, my cocktail clip arts. Now, check this out. Look at this. Now, the key word to this, now the actual source, the actual crazy source that's making it do madness is that you can add that personalization. Look at this, man. Look at this. Now, the thing about this is it's a big bundle of these 1,400 cocktail drinks. It's crazy. The options are mad, right? I'm not going to lie. These options are mad. Look at them. Look at them. They've got so many different drinks. It's mad, right? So let me tell you why it's doing so well. $1,600 in 1 month, and it's doing this well. There's a few reasons. The bundle is exceptionally big, fabulous, right? Really big. It's got a very strong sell, really good sell, right? Now, let me just tell you something about this. This is what makes it work. Now, sometimes there's a small difference between a winner and a loser on Etsy. And I tell you one thing, it's understanding what makes something work. Now, look at this. So I asked for personalization. You can do your personalization, or you can maybe add the name of like, let's say, because obviously these are really cool for, let's say, weddings, right? It's a really cool one for weddings. And so what you can see is they've got the name. The personalization is the name you can see on the card here. And literally you get these digital download images, transparent background, commercial use, like lifetime access to any editions. The lifetime access is a really cool one, right? You can see people's images that they've actually sent as a review, just showing what they've created. And look at these are like signature drinks, blah blah, with the name of the let's say the wedding couple there, and you can see some of the images being used. Here's another one, because I'll tell you one thing, these kind of sort of personalized, these custom sort of drinks, you know, like you can see someone's birthday, so it doesn't have to be for wedding, but you can use it as for birthdays. You know, they actually work really well. I mean, you know, I could go on and on and on. You got these one, signature cocktails. So cocktails, and look, these are actually really, really, and I've seen them for a while now, okay? And they seem to be working really well. Now, what's interesting about this listing, it's a 1 month old listing, right? So hence it works really well. And again, you got this birthday sort of card that people have used it for. So it's a really cool one because, you know, not only can you personalize it in terms of putting your name or someone's birthday or something on it, and this is the key to this. The secret sauce is personalizing. So not only do you have something where people will love this because the actual bundle of these cocktails is massive. You got 1,200 drink options. So the thing about this is people want options, you know, people need options, especially for this kind of market, this kind of niche, right? So it has all of them. It has a whole heap of them. Now, then you add that personalization when you can add your personalization, and you know, it sort of adds the flavor to it, you know. And you know, this is a simple, easy digital download of all these clip arts, right? Like I said, you just need to add your own sort of, you can add your personalization. Now, this is the interesting bit, right? And then listen, coming over to the store itself that sells these, you know, they've got a lot of these kind of cocktail related things where they actually sell, like, if you like, signs, all of these signs and different clip arts. So it's all kind of cocktail related. Now, coming over to this, just so you can sort of get an idea about these sort of cocktail related products, let's have a look. And remember, there's over 1,000 listings on this for the store. But like I said, not everything works. But you know, when some things do work, they work terribly well. I mean, look at this. This is by far a really cool one because it's a huge bundle of 1,400. I mean, this one is also another one. Sorry, some of these also work quite well, right? And I'll show you this. So this is another printable signature cocktail sign, wedding sign, and a wedding signature sign. It's a cocktail sign, and you can see that it's another cool one where you can add your sort of personalization again. But you know, and you can actually choose your drink options as well. So you can actually get really one of these, which is quite nice. And it has different sort of different sizes as well. So you get literally a digital download where you add your sort of the names that you want in the personalization, and obviously the seller will create it on the size that you want. You can see, and then you download, and then it's a digital download because it's a digital file, right? So you know, I like the personalization angle. It's a really good one. Now, when you actually delve a bit deeper into this, because I think it's very important to look and see, is there anybody else that's making some good cash? And this is the interesting bit, is that there are others that are making some decent money as well. This one's making $465. This one is a bundle again of these cocktail clip arts. These are just straight your digital downloads. So here we can see another one. That's another sort of another bundle making $465 per month. Another really good one, and you get some ideas about what kind of keywords are doing well. I mean, some of the good keywords, like I said, are signature drink menu, cocktail clip art is decent, bar menu. So there are good keywords, cocktail clip art as well. There's another one. Look, that's another decent one. So if you look at it, you can see that the saturation levels on these keywords are pretty good, where it's a good one to actually do. But obviously, you want to make sure that you actually go into it properly. Now, personally, this would be really good for a big bundle of watercolor style clip art. So those ones can do very well, because you need to know exactly what particular type does work well, because not everything does work well. And obviously, creating these, is an absolutely simple thing to do. And you can do this very easily on something like Midjourney, like, as many of you probably know. So let's just take a very quick example, man. Let's just do a very quick example. Let's have a look. Like I said, these are quite easy to do, right? And simple as easiest thing to do, right? Easiest thing to do. And I think in this case, you just need to make sure that you give a good selection, right? So I'm on Midjourney right now. Let me just do a very quick example. Obviously, you want to create loads of these, but let's just show you a quick demo, man. I like a little quick demo. So green apple, sour cocktail in a watercolor style, right? Click enter. Let's see what we get, man. Let's see what we get. And listen, this is how you do it. It's easy. So once you've got the names of the cocktails, you know what you're going to do, the drinks, then you can quickly do this on Midjourney, and literally really, really quickly. And to be honest with you, what I'll probably do is, just so I can do a bundle, is I can make sure that I get these names in the brackets. Check out my video on doing bundles of lots of images, right? That's probably a quicker way of doing it. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to do a single one. And there you go. There you go, man. There you go. Now, obviously, I can choose which watercolor image I want for the cocktail, let's say. Choose the one I like. Maybe I'm going to regenerate again to get a different style. But look at these. These are actually amazing. Not all of them are great. The bottom two are probably better. Maybe that top one actually. Or I might regenerate again and do another one. But literally, that is all you need to do. You just need to make sure it's watercolor style, because those are the popular types, and then just get your designs done, literally. And I think a big bundle of these will really sell well. I mean, look at that. 1 month old listing making $1,600. That tells you something. If you can go up there and get listed within 1 month and hitting $1,600, that's crazy. There's a demand for this. It's a cool one to do. So get listing, man. That's your nugget for today. I hope you enjoyed it, man. Please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell for more videos in your feed, man. In your feed.